Hello friends, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. After the Union Budget 2024, which is presented today, that is 23rd of July 2024, the new income tax slabs for assessment year 2025 and 26 have been announced. So here I present the new calculator for the assessment year 2025-26. If you want to use this calculator, process is same as my earlier calculator for assessment year 2024 and 25. So in this calculator here you have to write the salary, then salary TDS. The change is here 75,000 standard deduction, earlier it was 50,000. And income tax calculation also has been taken care of, new income tax calculation according to the new slab. So this is available for download. The link is given in the description of this video, so you can download it and use it. And I hope you know what to write. Everything is clear: salary, TDS, advance tax if we have paid, fixed deposit interest, fixed deposit TDS, savings bank interest, interest from tax refund, and that's it. And this interest under 234 ABC, this you can fill at the time of filing your ITR or after filing your ITR to verify whether your calculation is correct or not. Okay then, thanks for watching the video.